How to find developer options settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find developer options settings on Android phone. First then open settings, and now just click here, this one, about phone, and here we'll find build number. Just click on it 7 times and then go back, and now just type here developer options, and now here you can manage developer options, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to find developer options settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.